Hey you guys, welcome to today's video. Now today is going to be a little different video. I am going to show you a little bit of a haul here. I got this book in the mail, Inspire Designs, I think that said. I will link their YouTube channel down in my description box if you want to check them out. I recently just came across their channel. I also got these Dylusions, cakey and sticks. I'm excited to try those here in the near future. I should have saved this bag. I did not. I threw it away, but you know. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do here is show you my creative retreat kit. So this thing is so awesome. I absolutely love it, you guys. I will also have a video coming out on Sunday of me putting this together, and I'm excited for you to see it. So it comes with this stamp, and this time it came with a little booklet instead of a stencil. It came with this. This is the clear stickers. I do not use this one this time, on tomorrow's video, anyways. And then there's this one, and then here is the devotional, of course. Always love this. Can't wait to show you guys that on Sunday. Oh, it is so. I did what, 7 pages in that little book. Okay, this is my creative retreat kit, and I'm excited. This one looks so fun. It's like a little fall kitchen kit. Comes with a little card and a sticker. It comes with these 2 little leaves, this little saying, these little wood pieces, a sucker, a little fabric piece, this little wood cutting board. Okay, well, let's open the napkins up here. Sorry, you guys. I had totally didn't realize that my light was still faced towards where my closet area is, and I had done that because my husband was hanging up my curtains for me. Bless his heart. He finally switched to a different job and can finally be stress-free. So he's so grateful for that. And he can help around the house and do things instead of having to say, yeah, I'll do it, and then be too tired. And so now he's starting to be able to fix things around the house, so he's starting to feel so much better too. Now here are these transfers. These are so amazing, and that's when I turned my light, back around and all that. Now, you guys, this is the Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal. I wanted to show you guys this as well. She was running a little bit late. We were supposed to send our journals off the day I got mine. So mine's going to be a little late as well. But look how beautiful Jenn's is. Oh, I'm in love. I loved that page. Now, I can't see none of this because that's too small for me, but her book is cute. I love it. And this is probably like her little fun page, her little about me here. And then in here, she has Wanda's, like a little sticker set up so she can make her a little sticker page and do whatever she likes on her page. And then Michelle's next. At first I wasn't going to show you everybody's, and I was like, well, I showed you the first one. Now I have to show you everybody's. And look at that butterfly. I just love that. Look how pretty that is. Looks like Florida. I grew up there. Love, love, love. Okay, so the next one is going to be me. All right, so here we go. A blender. That's so funny because I did post a picture not too long ago of me using my juice blender. And these are some very unique stickers. What a collection, right? And then we have Angel. These are also pretty. Look at that fish, like a little angel fish. What a great thought. The little passport is super adorable. These are cute. Okay. Oh, this is Jenn. So this is how she did her page, I see. Okay. I love it. With her stickers, and then she added like little details and her own personality to it. Love it. And then here's some extra pages. Here is for like, I guess, your animals. And then we can leave some Bible verses. Here's some questions. You guys, I didn't get to put the questions in my book because I had to end up ripping the rest of the pages out. They just would not work. And I ran out of time. I'm not sure that bingo thing at all, so I'm going to have to ask on that one. What in the water? That's so cute. I love that. Stickers. We're going to have a green page, a purple page, my two favorite colors. That went too fast. Ooh, look at that little UFO. It's funny. I'm not sure what we do on those pages, and then probably just do your own spread or something. And then looks like some stamps, and then a check-in, check-out page, or a check-out page. And that's her book. I love it, you guys. How beautiful. I want to thank you so much for being here. Like and comment if you would love to before you leave. That does help the channel. You guys can follow me on Instagram or Facebook at Mixed Media Art Journal. And my name's Latasha. So good to meet you. Go ahead and say hi in the comments and tell me where you're from. I would love to know that. And if you are a journaler. See y'all next time.